When you live in West Valley City, you're no stranger to the challenges that come with the area's fluctuating climate. With cold winters, hot summers, and occasional storms, it's essential to weatherproof your home to ensure comfort, energy efficiency, and security year-round. One of the best ways to do this is by choosing the right doors for your home. Doors play a crucial role in protecting your home from the elements, and selecting weather-resistant options can significantly reduce energy costs, enhance your comfort, and increase your home's curb appeal. In this article, we'll explore the best door options for weatherproofing your home in West Valley City and how each choice can help you combat the extreme weather conditions in the area. Steel doors for maximum durability and insulation. Steel doors are one of the best options for homeowners in West Valley City looking for maximum protection against extreme weather conditions. Known for their durability and strength, steel doors provide excellent security and weather resistance. These doors are highly resistant to moisture, warping, and cracking, making them ideal for areas with fluctuating temperatures. In terms of weatherproofing, steel doors come with insulated cores that help to keep cold air out during the winter and prevent heat from entering during the summer. They also offer better soundproofing, helping to keep your home quieter during noisy storms or busy days. Steel doors are typically designed with a weather-stripping seal, which provides an airtight barrier against drafts and moisture, enhancing the energy efficiency of your home. If you live in an area prone to storms, steel doors are an excellent choice for their resilience and added security features. These doors are available in various finishes, including smooth or textured, allowing you to choose a style that complements your home's aesthetic. Fiberglass doors for energy efficiency and low maintenance. Another great option for weatherproofing your home in West Valley City is fiberglass doors. Fiberglass is an incredibly durable material that can withstand extreme temperatures and moisture. Unlike wood, which can warp or rot, fiberglass doors are highly resistant to weather damage, making them an ideal choice for homes in climates with both hot summers and cold winters. Fiberglass doors are also known for their energy efficiency. They often come with insulated cores and weather seals that prevent air leakage and improve the overall insulation of your home. In West Valley City, where temperatures can fluctuate drastically, fiberglass doors help keep your home warm in the winter and cool in the summer, reducing your energy bills. Another benefit of fiberglass doors is that they require very little maintenance compared to other materials like wood. They won't peel, crack, or fade due to exposure to the sun, rain, or snow. This makes them a cost-effective, long-lasting choice for homeowners who want to weatherproof their home with minimal upkeep. Vinyl doors for low maintenance and durability. If you're looking for a low-maintenance option, vinyl doors are a great choice. Vinyl is a strong, weather-resistant material that performs well in a variety of climates, including the variable weather found in West Valley City. These doors are resistant to moisture, warping, and cracking, which makes them a solid option for homes that experience both hot summers and freezing winters. In addition to being durable, vinyl doors are highly insulated. Many vinyl entry doors come with an insulated core to help maintain a comfortable indoor temperature while minimizing energy loss. They also provide effective weather stripping to prevent drafts and moisture from seeping into your home, ensuring that your home stays warm during the winter and cool in the summer. Since vinyl doesn't require painting or sealing like wooden doors, it's also a great low-maintenance option. Simply cleaning the door occasionally will keep it looking great for years. Wooden doors with weatherproofing features for traditional aesthetic. For homeowners in West Valley City who prefer a more traditional, natural aesthetic, wooden doors can still be a viable option, but they require more attention to weatherproofing. Modern wooden doors can be equipped with weather stripping, insulated cores, and protective coatings that enhance their resistance to the elements. Weatherproofing wood doors is important to prevent moisture damage and ensure they perform well in extreme temperatures. A properly sealed and maintained wooden door can provide great energy efficiency and comfort in your home. You'll want to apply a protective sealant or paint regularly to keep the wood from warping, cracking, or absorbing moisture. Though wood requires more maintenance, it provides a classic, elegant look that some homeowners find appealing. If you decide to go with a wooden door, make sure it is equipped with modern weatherproofing features to ensure its longevity and performance against West Valley City's climate. Storm doors for extra protection. If you live in an area that is prone to strong winds or severe storms, installing a storm door alongside your main entry door can provide an additional layer of protection. Storm doors are designed to withstand extreme weather, providing a barrier against wind, rain, and debris. They are typically made from steel, aluminum, or fiberglass and are equipped with reinforced glass or screening. Storm doors also improve insulation by providing an extra layer of protection against temperature fluctuations. In West Valley City, where temperatures can swing dramatically, having an additional layer of protection ensures your home remains comfortable, no matter the weather outside. Conclusion: weatherproof your home with the right doors. Choosing the right doors is essential for weatherproofing your home in West Valley City. Whether you opt for steel, fiberglass, vinyl, or wooden doors, each option offers its unique benefits to improve energy efficiency, security, and comfort in your home. By upgrading to weather-resistant doors, you can enjoy a more comfortable living space while lowering your energy bills and protecting your home from the elements. Investing in the best door options for your climate is a smart way to ensure that your home is well protected and energy efficient for years to come. Don't wait for the next storm. Upgrade your doors today for improved comfort and protection against West Valley City's unpredictable weather.